Hello, my name is Ken Wachtell. This is for Digital Systems. This is for Experiment 4, Part 3 of our XOR and XNOR lab. So in this circuit, we have our 7486N chip, which is our XOR gate, and we also have our 7408 AND gate. Both gates are connected to a 5-volt power source by pin 14, and they're both connected to a ground at pin 7. So for the beginning of our circuit, we have pin 1 of our XOR gate connected to switch 1, which will be input A1. Pin 2 is connected to switch 3, which is our B1. And the output of those two inputs, pin 3 is connected to pin 4. From there, pin 5 is connected to our 5-volt power source. And the whole output of this circuit right here for pins 1 through 5 would be from pin 6, which goes into our AND gate with pin 1. Next, we have pin 9, which is connected to our switch 2, which is our A2 input. Pin 10 is connected to our switch 4, which is our B2 input. And the output of those two pins comes from pin 8, which is then connected to pin 12, sorry, pin 12. Pin 13 is connected directly to our 5-volt power source, and the final output of those pins will come from pin 11, which pin 11 is then connected to pin 2 of our AND gate, and the final output of this entire circuit comes from pin 3 of our AND gate, which is then connected to LED 0. So we're going to turn on our circuit, and we're going to do a series of 4 different inputs, starting with everything, switch B2, B1, A2, and A1 all at 0, which produces a high. Next, we have A1 at 0, A2, B1, and B2 are all high, creating a low output, resetting. Next, we have A1 high, B1 high, and B2 high. This also creates a low output, resetting. And then the last output, or the last set of inputs, are 1 for each switch, which creates a high input at the end.